Hello, hello. How's it going, everybody? Looks like it's gonna rain. Hello, welcome to Try It Tuesday. We're gonna try to get our hair up for a second. My hair is still wet, so I don't want to put it up in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna use a butterfly clip for right now. If you're hopping on, say hello so I know you're here, because Facebook sucks and it doesn't always tell me who's here. So I don't want to not notice you guys if you are here. So as many of you know, sorry about that, I'm just trying to get you guys together. As many of you know, I subscribe to a bunch of different subscription boxes, and I'm always getting products to review and test out and show you guys. And one of the products that I received is something that I looked up on Sephora, and at Sephora it is a $40 cream. And this cream has mostly high reviews. The average is about 3.5 to 4.5, based on the last time I looked. So the reviews seem pretty decent. Now, of course, there's always the people that don't like it. It doesn't work for them, however it may be. So, and with those reviews, there's always people with that too. So we have it's $40, the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's it says, dive into hydration. Alaska glacier water envelopes the skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Directions. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand. Using all 4 fingers, apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. Dermatologist tested, no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. This is a K-Skin brand, so it's a Korean skincare brand. And it says it has the Cha 7 complex, an exclusive peptide formula that promotes skin's natural regeneration process. So I've already cleansed my skin. I've already put toner on my skin. My skin is ready for a cream or a moisturizer of some sort. So that is where we're at with this Saturday Skin. So opening it up, we got a bottle. No, a bottle, right? We call this a bottle. Container. Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, 50 milliliters. It's got little water droplets on the top. Again, it says the Cha 7 complex. Dive into hydration. Right there. And then directions here. Place moisturizer into the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers. Apply an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into the skin. Opening it. And this is a plastic container. This isn't glass, this is plastic. It's colorless. It doesn't have any scent. If it does have a scent, it's very, very faint. And it definitely looks like it could be a water cream. So if it goes anything like normal K beauty, a little is going to go a long way. So let's try this out. It says to take it, put it in the palm of my hand. So I'll put it in the palm of my hand. This feels cooling. It's kind of weird. So I'm going to put the cover on this real fast. I've got cream under my nails. Place it on the palm of your hand. Using all 4 fingers, apply in an outward circular motion. So we're gonna get a little bit. Feels like I'm rubbing hair gel on my face. Like, this is supposed to be a cream, not a mask. Like, I don't know if you guys, like, I don't know. We'll try. We'll rub it in a little more. Like, with how much I got, like, with how much is rubbing here, like, I don't even need the rest of what's in my hand. Oh, this is so weird. This feels like I'm, like, rubbing... Oh, weird. It feels like I'm, like, rubbing... It feels like I'm rubbing, like, hair gel or, like a paste. You know what I mean? Like, oh, my gosh. Okay. There. I'm gonna rub that a little bit. It says outward circular, but it feels like I'm just like rubbing. It doesn't feel like the product's going anywhere. It just feels like it's like Megan, you love your rubbing Saturday skin care. It's your absolute favorite. This is feeling, Megan, maybe you can answer my question. This is feeling really sticky. This is the Waterfall Glacier water cream. I don't know. It's like, it like, look, like, see, like, I don't know if you can, like, see what I mean? Like, my face is sticking. To the cream, you know what I mean? I don't know, like, I don't like that. Like, is there a way to fix that, or did I do something wrong? Like, even my fingers feel really, like, really sticky. Like, I'm curious, actually, kind of. Yeah, like, even my hair's sticking to my face. Like, is that supposed to do that? Is it supposed to be that way? Still really sticky. How long does it take to dry? Like, I don't know, like, see what I mean? Like, it's just... How long does it take to dry? Alright, so we're going to sit here a minute. We're going to let this dry down. Hair dryer might work. About 30 seconds or so. I don't know, I actually really like it. It did a really good job on clearing up my skin and making my pores look smaller. I've used it now for about 2 months. I got this actually. I got this one in my subscription box, my BoxyCharm this month, and I was actually kind of interested about it because I read some reviews on it and it seemed pretty interesting. But I don't know, I'm wondering, maybe did I put too much? Is that why it's still like really sticky? Like, did I use too much? Maybe? I don't know, it's like, even on my, I don't know, I can't get that sticky to go away, like my hair even, like, still kind of sticking to it, like, I don't know. I want to love it. My face looks bright-ish. I want to love it. I mean, it definitely looks like it did some brightening on my skin for sure, like, just from the application, you know what I mean? Like, it looks a little brighter, like, a little more, like, dewy and hydrated for sure, but, I don't know, I'm not, called the Feather Cream, that's really good too. I might have to try that one might actually be better. I'm not big on this one with how sticky it is specifically, but maybe the Feather one would do better. I'll have to check into it. I don't know, it's still sticky. I don't know, like, look, like, see what I mean? Like, that might be good too with the cleanser, maybe, like, with all of that, because of where you're washing it off. That's like that. This one, it doesn't appear you're supposed to wash it off. It's just like a cream. I don't know. I guess for me personally, for my review on it, it does appear to brighten the face and to give the face a more hydrated appearance. It definitely does that. Personally, compared to a lot of the products I use, I feel like it's very heavy on my skin, and I feel like it is a little sticky for my liking. Maybe if it was used overnight and then washed off in the morning, it might be beneficial, possibly. But for just a general cream, in my opinion, for me and my needs, I'm not a big fan of it. It's just, for me personally, for my preference, it's too sticky. Like, even when it dries down, for my preference, it's just way too sticky. Oh my gosh, it's raining already. But yeah, I can't. For me, I can't. It's just much too sticky for my face. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to go wash this off. Yeah, I gotta go wash this off. So, thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys for watching my review. If you have any tips or anything I might have suggestions, things I might have done wrong in applying it, any other like tips to make it better, how you made it work for you, feel free to comment and let me know. Otherwise, have a good day, y'all. Thank you for coming on for Try It Tuesday, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.